a common question is how, with percentages, to make a 0 become a dash. Because you can see there's lots of zeros here. We prefer to have them as a dash. Again, you can use the custom format. So I'm just going to highlight all of those. Right click, go to format cells. I generally go to percentage, just make sure we're happy with it, and then click on custom. At this stage, then you can see the way this is set up. This is saying that all percentages will be shown as 0.00%, and a negative sign is just the default method. I'm going to go and I'm going to add a semicolon. I actually want to see the negatives in red, so I'm going to type in square brackets red, close square brackets, then minus 0.00%. And then I put a semicolon, because now I need to tell it what happens with a 0 percentage. I'm going to put a dash. And when I say OK, you'll see not only do the zeros change to a dash, but any negative percentages change to a red color, which I think is easier to see.